Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you what I'm going to be working on next, which is a Tyrrell P34, the 6-wheel race car. This kit is a 1977 version. I'm going to build a 76 version, the Swedish Grand Prix winner, Jody Scheckter. So, anyways, I'll show you what's in the box. So first off, we got the body and wing, looks like. Got the bottom half, and something to kind of note here, this big old section here, that is for a battery, I believe, or a motor maybe, because you could make this into an RC car back in the day. Teeny tiny front tires. Comes with a driver figure. I'm probably not going to use it for this. There's the cockpit section. Chrome tree. Another chrome tree. Black part section, like the front wheels, front brakes looks like. Probably this is, I would say, most of the front suspension. I would assume this is the rear for the most part, and you know, the cam covers. This is pretty much the Ford DFV engine part. And big tires in the back. The wiring. And then these are the stock decals that come with it. So what I want to use is these. I'll kind of bring them up here, show you a little bit if I can. These are from IndyCals. These are just a little bit better decal for the front there. And then this is the 76 version for Jody Scheckter that I'm going to use. So anyways, that's the kit, and I'll get started on it very shortly, but that's what you can look forward to me building. So I'll see y'all later. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate it.